Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Impala hood. First, you'll need to locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle. This lever is typically on the driver's side, often found near the floorboard or just below the dashboard. Look for a small handle or lever, usually marked with an icon resembling a car hood. Once you've found it, give it a firm pull to release the primary latch. You should hear a distinct click from the front of the car. After pulling the interior release, head to the front of your Impala. You'll notice the hood is now slightly ajar, lifted just a bit from its resting position. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, right under the front edge of the hood. You're looking for a small, secondary safety latch. This latch is designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally. Depending on the model, you'll either push it to the side or pull it up to fully disengage it. With both latches released, you can now lift the hood all the way open. It should swing up smoothly. Next, you'll need to secure it in the open position. Look for the prop rod, which is typically a thin metal rod attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully detach it from its clip. Then, find the designated hole or slot on the engine bay frame and insert the end of the prop rod firmly. This ensures the hood stays safely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support and secure it back into its clip on the hood or engine bay. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches from fully closing. Don't just drop it from a high distance. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Finally, press down firmly on the center of the hood, ensuring both latches click into place. Give it a slight tug to confirm it's securely closed before driving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.